Hi, it's Nell with Joyous Garden, and today we're going to learn how to prune red cannas. Now, this is not a red canna, so you'll have to use your imagination to make this red, and the ones across the street are not red either, but you prune them all the same way regardless of what color they are. And this is my neighbor's. Cannas are a rhizome, so they spread like underground stems. They've actually grown through the fence over onto my side of the fence. So this is a plant that needs water. It's not drought tolerant. So this is looking a little dry and burned because of that. So what I would do is take off these unsightly leaves here. I would take it back to here, and then I would take this one back here. It's not really the time to cut it all the way back because you want the plant to go through its cycle of energy. It gets its nutrients through the leaves, and then they all go down the stems into those rhizomes, and they store up their energy so they can do their thing again next season. And here we are across the street. Thank goodness that Santa Barbara has a wide variety of plants, because I can just go up and down the street and show you things. And here's one that is flowering, so I'm going to cut the flower off right there. There's more flower coming here, and the foliage looks fine. This foliage, this plant actually gets water, so you can see how much better the foliage looks, and it's starting to grow and spread. My neighbor just planted these a few months ago, I know that, and it was only a single stalk over here and single stalk over here, and you can see how they've spread. So there's more coming up here, and as I said, you just leave them until they go through their cycle. So these will probably get cut all the way back in February. But if you're in a colder climate, you need to dig these rhizomes up because they're going to freeze. So just keep that in mind. This is Nell with Joyous Garden, and I've just shown you how to prune a canna.